Hello. Good afternoon, everyone. And I'm Gabriele, founder of Magicblock, and today I'm going to present you how you can build real-time apps with Ephemeral Rollups. Who are we? We're a team of nerds, really, and we fundamentally believe that pretty much all the use cases are going to be on-chain, and we're building all the infrastructure and tools that make it possible today. So everyone knows that Solana is already incredible decentralized VM, and it's perfect for a lot of use cases. High throughputs, pretty low fees, and it's pretty secure and decentralized. And here you find a lot of products that already have product market fit, Launchpad, DApps, prediction markets. Where we focus are all the other use cases that are currently unfeasible to be on-chain. And this is for multiple reasons. The first one is real-time. There are a category of application that if you have end-to-end latency above 50 or 100 milliseconds, it will completely ruin or make unusable the experience. These include gaming, high-frequency trading, and many others. So this is like one of the core products that we solve with Ephemeral Rollups. The second problem are transaction fee. I mentioned that Solana has pretty low fee, but for some use cases, and you can imagine a social network, a decentralized app where every message, every action is a transaction. If you do the math, it will be pretty much infeasible to sponsor or essentially bring the volumes that those applications have on Solana as of today. And so Ephemeral Rollups gives you a way to customize the fees for those specific instructions that you want to bring on-chain and that are currently unfeasible. Then there are all other features that whenever you're building an app, you are missing. These include randomness, pretty hard to get randomness on-chain, pricing oracle, super low latency price streams. We saw the presentation before from Pip. We have a built-in way to ingest and expose almost as a CSPAR pricing information in the Ephemeral Rollups. And all of these are features that you can kind of opt in and build in your smart contracts. The other big problem is privacy. There's no great solution on mainnet that can scale well today. I'm going to briefly present how we solve that with Ephemeral Rollups. And lastly, another big unlock that we've been working on recently is solving the problem of storing information on chain. Storing everything on chain is extremely expensive. Rent is very expensive on Solana. And you have compression, but it's pretty hard to interact with compressed accounts. So we're going to also touch briefly on how we make it transparent and we support it in the Ephemeral Rollups. Now, how Ephemeral Rollups work? You still write your smart contract. Is Solana programs, is Rust code. You can write it with Pinocchio, Anchor, native, or it could also be C, just like a normal programs that you deploy on Solana. And then optionally, within your instruction, you can tap in some of these features. And you can think of it as a main thread. Your main thread is your Solana program executed on Solana. And this can optionally spin up extension threads that also have this like injected features that can do computation. And then you can close Ephemeral Rollups, take the results, and orchestrate everything from your main program. And as I mentioned, this includes price feed, privacy, building crank, a way to scale high precision transactions, and pretty much all the features that you need for building any sort of application. And the result of it is a smart contract that optionally can access its extra feature. And this example is a game where all the state transitions, all the movements of the player in this case are transaction processed in real time in an Ephemeral Rollups, while other instructions